There are lots of different types of seed, and this particular seed, Cerinthe major purpurascens, is one that is quite large, so you have to deal with it in a slightly different way, and it is one that you need to hold out seed by seed because they're actually quite a big seed. What I would say to you is wear gloves, because you don't know which seeds you're handling are going to be poisonous. So if you can see there, these are actually individually quite large seed. It doesn't matter which way up they go, and these ones, because they are larger, we're going to put into cells. And by cells we mean these individual units, and we'll just make a hole in the middle of the thing, and you can either pick them up and drop them in and then just close up, and I often think it's easier to just make a whole mass of holes to start off with, and then you can just drop your seed in. Remember to close up after you drop the seed in, because otherwise you can be going along and think that you've actually put one in the hole and you haven't. So that is those going into there, just being dropped into the holes like that. And then, oh, missed that one. There you go. Drop it in. No touching of them. They're all ready and done. A little tap and everything goes down. Remember to write a label, put the name, put the date of when you sowed it, and put that into there as well. Then the next lot that you do, you can either leave some empty or you can start straight away with a label, and then you can put different varieties right the way through. It depends on how many you want. Cerinthe major, you probably don't need too many. They're pretty good at germinating. Once they come up, they'll have quite big seedling leaves, so they're very easy to see. You don't have to prick these out because obviously they're in a cell, and once their roots have got to a really decent size at the bottom here, you'll be pushing them out and putting them straight into a container to grow on just long enough so that you can get them hardened off and put them out into the garden. Seeds are a really good way for the gardener to be able to produce plant material for themselves at home, and it's great to be able to trial out all sorts of different types of seed. If you see us at the shows, you'll see we have a big tray full of seeds like this, and you can buy them from us there, but also you can buy seeds from our website www.hardysplants.co.uk/seeds.